What is it regarding? International? Okay, fine. So, you are aware of it. Huh? You are aware of it. And what is the date today? 21st. So, 21st of June. So, every year 21st of June is celebrated as International. So, you all keep in your mind now. Next year same day again we all will meet, but there should be a different impact on that. What I mean to say is, all the students should buy your own yoga mat. Okay? And every week, in a week, we are going to have one yoga class for all the sections, right from 4th class to 10th class. Okay? So, you all should buy your own yoga mat. All the students who are sitting over there, just make a note, don't force your parents now. Okay? Next month, you can plan your yoga mat, because yoga is very good for your health. Because of yoga, you can have a lot of relaxation. Mentally, physically, you can be fit. You can be fit and strong. Okay? Fine. Now, shall we start? Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, now sit right, fold your legs close, fold your legs close. It should be straight. Yes. Keep your hands on your knees. And one index finger and thumb finger should come together. Index finger and thumb finger should come together and stretch your hand down. Stretch your hand down. Right. Now slowly close your eyes. Slowly close your eyes. Chest up. Take a long breath. Don't leave the air out. Just breathe, I said. Long breath. Now slowly release. Still some children open their eyes. Yes, open your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. You are not sitting properly. What's your name? Huh? What I told you? Fold your legs properly. Yes. Sir? Okay, stand up. Stand up. Keep your legs together. No sound should come. Keep your legs together and fold your hands together. Keep it on your chest. Keep it on your chest. Look straight and close your eyes. Close your eyes. Sir, will front face cover out? Now slowly raise your hands up. Slowly raise your hands up. Open your eyes. Raise your hands up. Up. And bend back slowly. Slowly you have to bend back. I'll show you. Keep your hands up. Slowly bend back. How much? How much you can. Keep your hands together. Bend back. Slowly. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Bend. Bend. Not slowly. 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 Yes. Yes. Hands should be together. Yes. 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 Okay. Now put your hands up. Hands up. Now slowly bend down. Slowly bend down and touch your toes. Bend down. Slowly I said. Slowly. Slowly. And touch your toes. Touch your toes. See how I am touching my toes? Touch your toes. Yes. Touch your toes or legs. Next. Yes. And bring your hands. Keep on the knees. Yes. Now, here, listen. Touch your toes and catch your legs now down. Catch your legs down. Near the ankle part. Ankle part. Ankle. Yes. Touch. Touch your legs. Hold your legs. Touch your toes first. Slowly. What, Mercy? Mercy. Bend. You have to touch your feet first and then hold them. Hold them. Hold like this. Hold like this. See how I am holding it? Hey, hold like this. You should not bend your knees. You should not bend your knees. Okay, slowly get up. Slowly get up. Slowly get up. Okay, you go and sit. I'll call one more boy. Stand. Yes, next. Next. Sit down. And you have to sleep. Madam? Wait. Now sit here. Okay. Sit. Now, the girls who are sitting, who are in front, go back. All the girls. No, don't take your mat. You just get up and go back and stand. Boys, come in front. Don't touch the mat. Don't touch your mat. All the boys come in front. Girls all go back. Girls all go back. Don't touch the mat. You just, yeah, all girls, no? Slowly get up. Yes. Here, hello. It should be slant. It should be slant. Slant, yes. Slant. Don't raise your, hey, here. What's your name? Slant. All of you look at me and do it. Here. Why noise? Why noise? You all just look at me. Straight. Your posture should be straight. Yes, straight. Now put your head down. Bring one leg in front. Bring one leg in front slowly. And raise your head up. Hey. Leg. Slowly. Change your leg. And raise your neck up. Raise your neck up. Yes. Raise your neck up. Sir, what's the posture? Then you do. Huh? Yes. Slowly. You have to touch both your hands. Okay? Huh? Stand up. No, just wait. Yes. Stand properly. First, put your hands down. Raise your hands up. See how I am rising up. Yes. Look in front. Is comfortable for you. Right. Which leg is comfortable for you? And raise your hand up. Yes. Slowly. Straight a bit. Yes. There should not be a movement. Now slowly come up. Change your position. Yes. Okay. Bend your head down. Madam, na photo diye. Hello. Look down. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay, next. Only boys, not girls, okay? Only boys. I'll show you. Next you have to do it, okay? Only boys. You have to raise your leg up.
Sir, can I? Okay, sir.
తర్వాత స్లోగా కింద బెండ్ చేయాలి.
Sir.
ఇక్కడ ఇలా పడుకొని తల ఎత్తాలి. లెగ్స్ డౌన్, బెండ్ అయ్యి ఇలా పైకి ఎత్తాలి. Yes, now all the boys and girls should follow sister. Fast. Slowly. Yes. Hello. Hello. Down. 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 Chin bike. How she doing? How she doing? Yes, right. Now slowly raise your body. కాల్ లేపు. ఇది పట్టుకో, పట్టుకో. బాడీ లేపు పై. స్ట్రైట్ రావాలి. స్ట్రైట్.
Legs also, sir.
నెక్స్ట్ ఆల్. స్ట్రైట్ రా. నెక్ అప్. Right. Okay. Right. Okay. Right. Yes. Yes. Now right one leg up. Right your leg up. Left or right, whichever you feel comfortable. Yes.
Oh God.
Right your leg up. Okay, change
This
your leg up.
bench is shaky.
Change your leg.
This bench is shaking, sister. Oh my God. Not coming to do. At least on mat will come. On mat for me, come on. This not coming. That's